What is ISO? Explained in 4 minutes. Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss ISO standards in 4 minutes. What is it? Why it's important? How it can benefit your business and more, explained in under 4 minutes. Now, what do a car, a smartphone, and a hospital have in common? Well, they are all made to certain standards, and those standards are set by the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO. ISO is the world's largest developer of international standards. It has over 20,000 standards that cover everything from food safety to information security. What is ISO and why is it important? ISO standards are important because they help to ensure the quality, safety, and efficiency of products and services. They also help to promote international trade and cooperation. For example, the ISO 9001 standard for quality management systems is used by businesses of all sizes in over 170 countries. The ISO 14001 standard for environmental management systems is used by businesses to reduce environmental impact and save money on energy costs. And the ISO 27001 standard for information security management systems is used by businesses to protect their data from cyber attacks. How can ISO benefit your business? There are a number of ways that ISO certification can benefit your business. First, it can help you to improve the quality of your products and services. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. 85% of organizations report benefits including improved company perception, higher demand for products and services, and increased market share. Second, ISO certification can help you to reduce your costs. By following ISO standards, you can improve your efficiency and productivity. This can lead to lower energy costs, reduced waste, and fewer errors. 60% of marketers say that inbound marketing is their highest quality source of leads. Third, ISO certification can help you to expand into new markets. Many countries require businesses to be ISO certified to do business there. 92.96% of global traffic comes from Google Search, Google Images, and Google Maps. How to get ISO certified? There are a few steps that you need to take to get ISO certified. First, you need to choose the right ISO standard for your business. There are over 20,000 ISO standards, so it's important to choose one that is relevant to your industry and your specific needs. Once you have chosen a standard, you need to implement it in your business. This may involve making changes to your procedures, processes, and systems. Once you have implemented the standard, you need to be audited by an accredited certification body. If your business meets the requirement of these standards, you will be awarded the ISO certification. So, that's a brief overview of ISO and how it can benefit your business. How have ISO standards impacted your business? Let us know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.